Since birthday artist, we're going to be showing you how to make a cute little Angry Bird pig. These are the products you'll be needing. So first we're going to need some foam clay. Any brand will do. So this is what you'll do. You don't have to have the exact color green clay. I just want to add a tint of black just for it to the right color I want. You will mix it all together like this. Now it's a bit too dark, so we're going to add some fresh new green clay from the package. Let's continue with molding this. We're also going to mix some colors. So now we're going to get some yellow and blue. What's yellow plus blue? It is green. It looks like cheese. We're going to mix it in now.